Our imperfect human memory leads many of us to choose poor passwords. We use the same ones on multiple accounts and some may be lost or forgotten. The Password Manager will solve these problems by generating good passwords and storing them securely, and should be a standard tool for anyone who uses a connected device. Installing a Password Manager is a critical step because future tasks in this course will ask that you change current passwords and create strong ones for new accounts. Password management apps are available in both online and offline versions, but we will be working with the online version since it's the easiest to get set up and using quickly and is accessible on all your devices and through any browser. We'll be using LastPass for this lecture. Its ease of use and established track record of dependability and integrity also make it one of the most widely used password managers. And it provides the two functions we most need, the ability to generate randomized, hard-to-crack passwords and to securely store those passwords. Go to LastPass and create your account. After entering your email, create a master password that is both unique and something that may take practice to commit to memory. Under the password field are prompts that give you parameters for the best password creation. In this example, I've included a phrase within the password as a prompt. You might also include a hint, but still be sure you record the password and keep it someplace secure. In this demo, I'm in Chrome and LastPass wants to install the extension. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once done, you'll be asked to enter your login info for some popular accounts. We'll skip that. Now we're in the vault. This is where all your information will be saved and organized. On the left side is the navigation menu. Whenever you want to add a new entry, simply click the menu item and then the plus sign in the lower right. We'll do that in a moment, but first let's create a new account to see how the app works. I've chosen to open a ProtonMail account to illustrate the process. In the username field, the black square with the 3 dots indicates whether LastPass has any saved information. It's grayed for now. The circular arrow icon represents LastPass's password generator. Click it to get started. You can select length as well as other parameters. Checking the Easy to Read box will eliminate those O's, I's, L's, zeros, and ones that can be hard to identify in different fonts. A box will pop up in the upper right corner of the browser. Fill this out manually or click the red Add button. I suggest you add the recovery email. A confirmation dialog will open. Follow the prompts and you're done. Inside your LastPass vault is where you'll find your saved login information, but it's also where you can create a secure note, contact information, etc. There are a few templates already created for credit cards and bank accounts, and you can also create a custom card to suit your needs. For example, with the newly created ProtonMail account, you can open this up and change the account name, add additional information, or create a folder to store it in. You can also launch websites from inside the vault. Once open, the login screen will display the LastPass icon indicating you have saved login credentials. Just click. If there's more than one account on any one service, you'll see that list. Back in the vault, click on the security dashboard to see the status of your account. You may see notices that you have weak passwords or an untrusted device, or in this case, multi-factor authentication needs attention. When activated, you'll be walked through the process of coupling your authentication app with your account. We will go through this in detail in an upcoming lecture, but following the prompts is easy. I use Authy in place of Google Authenticator, but you'll have a few choices. Be sure to fill out the emergency access section and get familiar with the browser extension. Whenever you're on a website and you've filled out login credentials or LastPass suspects a change, you'll be asked about saving it. You can also access and use the tools without logging directly into your Vault webpage. Take some time to go through the advanced options. Explore the different features for yourself, and if you have any questions, you can always email info@ndsprivacy.com.